I usually only get 1 day per week to fish, but this summer I bet I've only been out 3 times, and each time it has been just like this. With that being said, I'm willing to battle through any condition necessary to do what I love. I just keep telling myself that maybe I'll be rewarded if I keep pushing through when I should probably just go home. And that's exactly what happened in this video. Over 10 miles hiked and waited for this fish, and it was all worth it. So welcome back to the channel. Here's another video. I hope you guys enjoy.
No matter how bad the day is, what kind of weather you're fishing through, conditions of the water, there's always one bait that's here to save the day, and it's the Ned rig. All right, rain's really coming down now. No way. Been fishing for about an hour and a half, absolutely no luck. And then first cast right there, I get bit on the Ned rig. There we go. Oh, there's two here. Cast over here. Cast over here.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Right. It's about the same size as my fish too. It's right here. He's literally trying to take it out of its mouth.
Pretty nice fish. The first one.
Not bad for not catching nothing for an hour. First smallmouth I have caught in a while. See you, buddy. We love it, man. We love it. There we go. Second cast on this little straight. Come here, little fella. Keep a little fish counter today. It's number 3. Just one of them days, man. One of them days. I'll leave my backpack here and fish this hole. Is it gonna come back to bite me? Not having a net on me? Probably. The one time I don't take my net, I'll probably catch a fish actually worth netting today. I swear. That's not that big. But when you've done nothing but catch 7-8 inch smallmouth all day, this guy right here is pretty solid. We're probably somewhere around 11 inches. That was a fish. That was a fish and he felt heavy. Dude, I got a stud. I don't know how big it is, but catching freaking 10-inch smallmouth all day. This is a good fish, bro. Softest pickup ever, too. Nope. Oh, let's go, dude. Look, dude, look at this hook.
Barely.
See if you guys can see that right there. Barely skin hooked.
It's nice bass. Oh, wow. Probably what, 18, 19?
I'm thinking he's pushing 19. Yeah, I know. We just had him on the tape. He went 19 inches. Pretty much 3.2 pounds. All right, let's get one more look at this guy. Then we're gonna send him home.
That's a tank.
That's a good fish.
That's awesome.
All right, I'm not fishing the rest of the day. Guys, today has been an absolute grind. We're about 6 hours deep. Already covered probably 4 miles. Not completely water, because we did jump out and walk a little bit. But man, the bite has been so awful this year. I mean, this entire year, whether you're talking about bass, trout, I mean, you name it, it's just been rough. And I've caught, that makes the 15th fish, but they've all been super, super small. I've had countless fish come off. They're just not eating right. But this was about to be my last hole. I was about to tell Zach, man, it's already 4 o'clock. Let's just make it an early day. Hit this hike back to the car and let's just go home. But if I hadn't came up this far, I'd never would have hit that hole and I never would have caught that fish. That is my best smallmouth of the year at 19 inches, 3.2 pounds. But I'm gonna celebrate with a little peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Just kind of relax a little bit, man, and we might fish a little further now if that's happened.